May I come, sir?
Yes.
So, can I sit here?
Yes, yes, of course.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So, Mr. Mukul,
Yeah.
so would you like to take something tea, coffee?
Thanks, sir, but I'm okay.
Okay. So, tell me about yourself.
Myself, Mukul. I am from Gwalior. Currently, I am pursuing web designing from IT Learning Institute.
Okay. So, I want to know about your graduation. So, in which college did you complete your graduation?
I complete my graduation Vikrant University.
Okay, Vikrant University. Okay.
Yeah.
So, you complete your Vikrant University. So, as I read your resume, you completed your NCC.
Yeah.
That's great. It's a very hard work,
Yeah.
That's great. So, okay. So, why are you coming in this field?
This field is unique.
Okay, this field is unique.
Yeah.
And in this field, daily basis faces new challenges.
Yeah.
And you completed NCC. I think you are also hard worker. Okay, that's great. Welcome to this field. So, Mukul, I want to ask some questions regarding the HTML, regarding the CSS. Okay, so are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay. So before the starting HTML, I want to know how much you rate yourself out of 10 in HTML.
Out of 6.
Okay. 6. Okay. Cool. It's a good number for you. So based on your rating, my first question is for you. What is HTML?
HTML is a standard markup language for web page. With HTML, you can create on your website.
Okay.
Without HTML, you can't create any website.
Okay, good, cool. So my next question for you: why do we write doc type in HTML page?
Doc type is a declaration like identity. Doc type is so current version of HTML.
Okay, you are saying doc type is an HTML version. Okay, that's good. We are going in a good way. Okay. So my next question for you: where do we link CSS? Any external CSS?
External CSS link in head of HTML.
Okay. So can you tell me how to create style pages?
Yeah.
How to create style sheet?
We can create style sheet with editors like Notepad,
Okay.
VS Code, etc.
Okay. So my next question for you from HTML: what difference between UL tags and OL tags?
UL tag and OL tag represent the list.
Represent the list. Okay.
Like UL tag unordered list. It shows bullets like dots and OL tags. OL tags is an order list. It shows numbering like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Okay, that's great. And my next question for you: can you tell me about the inline tag and block tag?
Inline tag like span,
Okay.
image,
Okay.
and block tags, H1, heading, paragraph.
Okay. Okay. Mukul. So Mukul, my next question for you: can you tell me one thing, the major difference between inline tag and block tag? Major one thing.
Inline tag under the no default properties
Okay.
and block tag under default properties.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay. So my next question for you from CSS. So I want to ask again one question. How much rate you out of 10 in a CSS?
Out of 6,
Okay. 6. Okay. So what is CSS?
CSS is a programming language. CSS used in style and HTML documents.
Okay. So, can we use multiple times single ID in one page?
No. ID is unique.
ID is unique. Okay. If I use same ID in another page, it is valid or not? If I use same ID used in different page, is it valid or not?
Yes, I can use.
That's right. So my next question for you, tell me about the CSS selector.
CSS selectors like pseudo classes,
Okay.
ID,
Okay.
class, has, dot present a class, has present a ID.
Okay. Okay, that's good. So can we use HTML tag like H1, H2, H3, div, etc. can be used as a selector in a CSS?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So my next question for you, what difference between display none or visibility hidden? What is the major difference? Tell me only one difference.
Display none. Display none under display is hide. I mean content is hide with space.
With this space, okay.
And display visible. Content is hide, but space is not hide.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so if I offer the job, so are you able to join within a month?
Yeah.
So right now you are working or provision period?
Yeah.
You are working.
Yeah.
Okay, you are working. Okay. If I give you chance to learn another skills like Java, like other frameworks, like React.js, okay. So, are you interested to learn other skills?
Yes, I am interested.
Okay. You are interested in learning.
Yeah.
Okay. So my last question for you, Mukul. Actually, I want to test your HTML skills.
Okay.
So can you write me a HTML structure on page?
Yeah.
Okay. If you don't mind, please write here. Right.
Check this.
That's fine. So yeah. So Mukul, you mentioned one another thing in your resume. You also know about the Photoshop.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So if I give you task in a Photoshop, so are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay. So you know very well about the PSD document
Okay.
and banners and logo. You can create yourself.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Mukul. Okay. So Mukul, thanks for came here and done for my side, and HR will call you and inform you for next step. Thank you, Mukul.
Thank you.
Thank you.